alright, sweetie. It's alright. It's alright.
Are you done? What is good, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If this is the first time you guys have ever seen this little old face, do not forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so y'all can be notified every single time that I post. For today, we're back at it again with another little vlog. I'm about to be hanging with my girls. Tiana, you saw her in the beginning and she just dipped on out.
Because I get nervous.
And we're about to have a little, not a brunch, but like an early dinner and a little bowling, a little vibe. We're missing Jenny because this is supposed to be our Galentine, but she want to be traveling or whatever.
Get to the bag.
But we gotta go because we're late, like always. So before I dive on into the video, do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Simply Soribel. Same for TikTok. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So we have made it to the Ugly Duckling, late of course, but we're here.
The FN. Two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. I don't both down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends.
Say hi to the vlog, Elaine. You want to show the vlog a little treat? She have a little baby now. Last Galentine, she was not with that. She was not. No, not last year.
Yeah, no, last year we were turned up, and we turned up too much.
Bean, June 2022.
Stay tuned.
I can't say the same, so use caution. Just saying, came in with an FN. Two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. I don't go down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Two at a time laying in my bed. Girl, I love the taste. You can run around, I love the chase. If you need a break, cause you're thirsty, don't trip, cause I know you're burning up.
So we just left the Ugly Duckling. 10 out of 10 recommend.
Yes.
Service good, food is good.
Facts. Our waiter was great. Go there. Was it Icee?
All I know is that he's from the Bronx.
Gang, gang.
But I definitely recommend. So now we're about to go bowling. So we're about to take the bus and we're gonna have a good time because the party don't stop. What's that thing? Party don't stop, sunshine and stop. I don't remember it, but here we go.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fine when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out runners. Vibes galore, cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this.
So the bowling alley is packed. And now we're gonna play some arcade games because you know there's nothing else to do besides wait. So we're hoping that they let us play a little bit sooner rather than later. But we're gonna have some fun regardless.
Been on the road, don't get wide, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Every other night, another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day.
Yeah, Tiana still can shoot it up. And just like that, they're ready for us to bowl. You having a good time? Yeah. You having a good time?
Yeah.
She's doing all right though. She's trying. You know, she's there.
I made enough time. I got them on, okay? That's all that matters.
So we about to get into it. We about to bowl. Smile.
It's alright, sweetie. It's
told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. I get drunk, wake up, I'm wasted still. Realize the time that I wasted. I feel like you can't feel the way I feel. Be fucked up if you can't be right here.
I think I should just go straight down the middle. Or should I go bing, 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 bing?
Oh, get it? Straight down the middle. Yeah. Bean is seeping through. Bean is seeping through her spirit. What? Bean is playing like that. Bean is giving you the energy you need.
She got a strike, but because every time I've been recording, she hasn't been doing that. I'm so sorry, T. But she got it though. Like, I'm gonna show y'all the scoreboard.
And difficult for me to trust, and I'm afraid that I'ma fuck it up. No way that I can leave you stranded. Oh! I know that I can't live without you, so baby stay. I'll be fucked up if you can't be right here.
There she goes.
That's all she puts out there. Shit.
Yo, it's gonna get it. Yo.
Come on. Hit him with the show, please.
And Tiana is the winner. She's the winner. Look at the winner. Winner. First she won at that arcade game and now she won this. What are you gonna say?
It's amazing to be me.
So we just finished bowling and now we're just waiting to get picked up. So in the meantime, Mario Kart. Bing, bing. But before I dive on in, let me tell you how, what's his face? I don't even know the guy's name.
Who's that kid from Power?
We
The
were,
one with the glasses. What's his name?
I think it's Tariq.
I don't know what his name is, but he.
We were we were bowling with the kid from Power. Well, not with him, but like they were literally in our area, like.
Yeah.
And he seemed very bothered by the fact that they put us there.
And it's like, homie, you could pay. You get lo cuarto. You got the money. If you got the money to rent out the whole space, you should have. Instead of having a face the whole time, like, why they put them? Still pay for it.
You don't want people there?
It was very interesting.
Pay for
You
it.
should, exactly.
I think the gag was is that it took us like a minute to even realize.
I was like, I've seen him somewhere. I thought we seen him somewhere.
Yeah, we're like, yo, we know you, but we didn't say it to him. I was like,
No, he ain't that famous.
No, I love it. At the end, he was on the phone, and then he goes, "Yeah, I finished my crypto money, but that power money, the power money's there."
and we're just
And I'm
like,
he's like, huh?
Yeah.
That's corny.
and we were just like,
heard,
so
like-
we leaving?
Yeah,
We're like,
yeah.
we out.
Is he corny?
But yeah, so
And I hope you watch this.
if this comes across, hey, hope you're doing great. We're the that were bowling next to you that you seem to be bothered by.
Yeah.
But now to
Some regular ass. He was full pressed.
but now to play some Super Mario because that's what we're here for. A good time, okay? Okay.
YouTube, so it's me, TT. I'm taking over Soribel's, YouTube thing right now, and we about to watch them do Mario Kart. Okay.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I see you. The way I breathe you in. It's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. And I see you. There's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up. Yeah, and I'll be right here with you till the end. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. You ain't sure yet.
Now it's Elaney versus T. Tiana made her way up to first place. Look at T. Look at T.
There's no time. I wanna make more time. Give you my whole life. Let my girl, I'm in my Lord.